Hello children, good morning. I hope you all are fine. So today what we are going to read? We are going to read Moral Science chapter number 4, Safety Habits. Okay children, if I ask you what do you mean by safety habits, what do you understand by it? What will you say? Some of you may say, ma'am, safety habits means the habits which keeps us safe, जो हमें हमेशा हमारी रक्षा करता हो, है कि नहीं? Yes, so let's begin with the chapter. So first thing, we need to know why we require safety habits. हमें safety habits क्यों obey करने चाहिए या क्यों follow करने चाहिए, ताकि दिस विल कीप अस सेफ. कभी हमेशा ये हमें सेफ रखता है, उसीलिए हमें सेफ्टी हैबिट्स को फॉलो करते रहना चाहिए. यस, लेट्स बिगिन विद द फर्स्ट पॉइंट कि हमें सबसे पहला सेफ्टी हैबिट क्या फॉलो करना चाहिए. वी शुड ऑलवेज क्रॉस द रोड एट जेब्रा क्रॉसिंग. अब हम लोग जेब्रा क्रॉसिंग क्या होता है, लेट्स हैव अ लुक. See, here the children are crossing the roads at this white stripes, white and black stripes. So these are known as zebra crossing. Are you getting it, children? Yes. So one first safety habits which we read today is we should always cross the road at zebra crossing. Let's come to second safety habit. The second safety habit which we are going to read today is walking on the footpath. Okay, what does footpath means? Let's have a look. See children, when we are walking on when we are going from one place to another, if there is a road, at the side of the road we can find the footpath. Yes, and there this is the place where we can walk. वहाँ से हमें हमेशा चलकर जाना चाहिए. From where? In the footpath. We should always walk on the footpath. Got it, children? Yes. So let's go to third one. So what is my third safety habits? We should always stand in a queue. Now you may ask me, what does queue means? Yes, what does this word queue means? Queue means making a line. Whenever we used to go for an assembly, we always used to make a line. Did you remember? Yes, so that's what queue means. Whenever we are going to go on a bus, or if we are traveling by bus, we should always follow the rules and we should make line and then we should enter the bus. Okay. Other than that, if we are going inside a class or if we are coming out of a class, we should always stand in a queue. We should always make a line and then we should move out of the class or we should enter the class. Next habit, let's see what it is. We should always play in the park, not anywhere else. Okay, we should play in the park. Park is meant, it is a place where we can play and enjoy. Let's see next what we are going to read. Habits which we should not follow. Okay, we should never follow the habit which we are going to read now. Why? Because these habits would never keep us safe. Okay, if we follow bad habits, it would bring trouble to us. Okay, so let's begin. Let's see which are the habits which we should not follow. Playing on the road. Yes children, you should always remember, playing on the road can cause you damage. Okay, it can cause severe accident, so we should be safe from it. That's why I told you in the earlier part that we should play in the park and not anywhere else. Got it? And it's a very bad manner if you play on the road. We should not follow that things. Let's see next habit which we should not follow. Playing with fire. Yes children, fire is a very dangerous thing. If by mistakenly also any bad happens, it may cause trouble to us. Okay, so we should never play with fire. We should always be careful while bursting crackers and all that. All things in this age we should not do. Basically, we should not play with fire. Let's see what's the next habit which we should not do. hanging out your arms from the buses. The consequences of these things are very bad, so that is why you are requested not to do these things in your life. We should never hang our arms out of the bus. Okay, children, it may cause you trouble later on. So these are the rules for which will keep you safe, and if we do not follow the rules and if we follow these kinds of habits, it may bring troubles in our life. Okay, playing with scissor. Okay, this also we should not do. Scissors are sharp objects which may bring cuts to our body. So in order to keep ourselves safe, we should not play with scissors. We should not play with scissor. It's a very dangerous thing. Got it, children? So let's come to the question answer part. The first question, write 5 safety habits that we should follow. Okay, children. So what safety habits we should follow? We already read about it. The safety habits that we should follow are: the first one, crossing the road at zebra crossing. I hope you remembered, no? Answer bit 2, walking on a footpath. Bit 3, standing in a queue. Bit 4, playing in the park. Bit 5, don't play with fire. Okay, these are the safety habits that we should follow. What is the key value learnt in the lesson safety habit? What is the key value learnt here is good habits. We should always follow the good habits in our life.